So here we have the Hornby Beetles Magic Mystery Tour long wheelbase wagon. This is a new product for 2021, announced in January, and is now available to purchase. This is one of 4 wagons announced back in January of 2021, this one being the Magical Mystery Tour. As with all of the Beetles wagons available, they come in this black cardboard packaging with the Beetles at the top right hand side, Hornby at the bottom right, and double O gauge model railways at the bottom left. At the top we have the Beetles as well, and on the base it's just all of your warning information. At the rear it's just more of the licensing, detailing and copyright. And on the side here we have R60011, the Beetles Magical Mystery Tour long wheelbase van. So let's take a look inside. So this is what I would call the railroad packaging. We have the basic cardboard box, a vacuum formed tray, and we have some protective film to stop the wagon's paintwork from being damaged within the tray. So if we just remove this, we can see we have a bright blue roof, and we have a bright, and I do mean bright, yellow van. The chassis has metal wheels, 2 large D-shaped couplings which are riveted to the one-piece molded chassis. A reasonable weight has been added to the inside, as I can feel here. Unlike some wagons, this actually does have a significant amount of weight to keep it down on the track. So at both ends we just have molded detail. There's no print work there, nor is there any on the roof, but on the sides, that's where it comes into its own. Now this is actually incredibly sharp print. As you can see here, these bright, wonderful colours all the way along the side of the van. And it is exactly the same on the opposite side. So as a display piece, this would be absolutely great inside a cabinet or on a shelf, or just anywhere you can put it on view. Equally, it is just as useful on your model railway. I have purchased all 4. They will be running around on the layout, but when they're not in use, I think I'll be keeping them nicely on display in a cabinet. They are wonderfully bright, and they have this excellent artwork similar to that of the Beetles Eurostar from 2020. So if you want to have a look at all 4 of the wagons that were announced in January 2021 and are available now, I've put a link in the description which should take you straight to that page on the Hornby website. And to be fair, they are at a reasonable price for what they are as a 4-wheel van. So if you want to have a look at any of the other free vans available, there are videos, and you will have seen links popping up at the top of the screen throughout this video. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget, if you haven't already subscribed, click on the round button. If you enjoyed this video and you want to watch some more, there's another video at the top of the screen, and there's a playlist at the bottom. See you again soon.